Hey, what are you guys doing? Somebody fishing?
I'm here fishing tonight. But we can't catch anything because it sucks.
You're not catching anything?
Mike, when you Mike.
What am I paying? What am I paying you for?
Good question.
Come on, you guys suck.
Water.
You guys really suck. Wasting all my money here.
Yeah. We gotta go 100 foot of water.
100 foot of water?
Hey, when you go 100
Well-
foot, as soon as you drop it, bang.
Okay, we'll start with 20 feet. When you catch something at 20 feet, then we'll go to 50 and then to 100.
No, you won't catch
Because
anything out
if I go to 100, you're gonna catch a shark and it's gonna drag your ass in the water, and then I'm gonna have to tell your dad what happened.